Hold on tight. We've uncovered 20 early Amazon Black Friday bike deals for 2025 with massive discounts up to 50%. From rare, top-trending bikes to must-have accessories, these limited-time steals can level up your ride instantly. Supplies are running out fast, so you don't want to miss a single one. Watch till the end to grab every deal and save big before it's too late. Number 1. CYCPLUS electric air compressor was $56.99, now $36.99, 35%. The CYCPLUS electric air compressor was $56.99, now $36.99, $36.99, negative 35% is compact yet powerful, inflating road, mountain, and e-bike tires in minutes. Portable for backpacks or bike bags, it comes with multiple nozzles and an LED display for precise pressure, making it an essential Black Friday 2025 buy for cyclists who want convenience and reliability on the go. Number 2. Rechargeable LED bike tail light was $13.88, now $12.02, 13%. Stay safe and visible with the rechargeable LED bike tail light was $13.88, now $12.02, minus 13%. Lightweight and bright, it mounts easily on most bike seats or frames and offers multiple flashing modes. Its rechargeable battery is eco-friendly and convenient, making it the perfect Black Friday deal for early morning or evening rides. Number 3. 360-degree bike phone holder mount was $8.49, now $7.99, 6%. The 360-degree bike phone holder mount was $8.49, now $7.99, minus 6%. Rotates your phone any way you like, keeping maps, calls, or apps visible while riding. Durable and shockproof, it fits most phones and handlebars, combining convenience and safety. Black Friday 2025 makes it an affordable must-have for cyclists who want connected rides. Number 4. Fanttik X9 Ace Mini Bike Pump was $57.99, now $39.96, 31%. The Fanttik X9 Ace Mini Bike Pump was $57.99, now $39.96, 31%. The Fanttik X9 Ace Mini Bike Pump was $57.99, now $39.96, 31%. The Fanttik X9 Ace Mini Bike Pump was $57.99, now $39.96, 31%. $39.96. Negative 31% is compact but powerful, inflating tires quickly while fitting in backpacks or mounting on bike frames. Its ergonomic handle and durable construction make it perfect for road or mountain bikes. This Black Friday 2025 deal ensures you're prepared for flats anytime you ride. Number 5. LISEN Bike Phone Holder for iPhone 17 was $29.98, now $15.99, 47%. The LISEN Bike Phone Holder for iPhone 17 was $29.98, now $15.99, minus 47%, is shockproof, adjustable, and easy to mount on most handlebars. With 360-degree rotation, your phone stays accessible for navigation or ride tracking. Compact, durable, and affordable, it's a must-have Black Friday 2025 accessory for commuters or trail riders protecting their devices. Number 6. Electric Mini Bike Tire Pump 160 PSI was $59.99, now $39.99, 33%. The electric mini bike tire pump 160 PSI was $59.99, now $39.99, $39.99. Negative 33% is portable, rechargeable, and handles high-pressure inflation up to 160 PSI for road, mountain, and e-bikes. Its digital pressure gauge ensures precision, and the durable nozzle fits multiple valve types. Black Friday 2025 makes it an essential buy for cyclists wanting speed and reliability. Number 7. BLITZU USB-C Rechargeable Bike Light Set was $34.99, now $18.99, 46%. The BLITZU USB-C Rechargeable Bike Light Set was $34.99, now $18.99, 46%. $18.99 minus 46% includes a bright front headlight and rear tail light with multiple modes. Water-resistant and durable, it charges fast via USB-C, keeping you visible day or night. A perfect Black Friday 2025 deal for cyclists who want affordable, high-quality lighting. Number 8. WOTOW Bike Frame Storage Bag 2L was $21.99, now $17.99, 18%. The WOTOW Bike Frame Storage Bag 2L was $21.99, now $17.99. $17.99 minus 18% holds your phone, wallet, tools, and snacks securely. Weatherproof and compact, it mounts easily on most frames without wobbling. Sleek, practical, and durable, this Black Friday 2025 deal is perfect for cyclists wanting convenient storage without affecting their ride. Number 9. JOYROOM Motorcycle Phone Mount was $19.99, now $15.99, 20%. The JOYROOM Motorcycle Phone Mount was $19.99, now $15.99, $15.99, minus 20% is shockproof, adjustable, and works for bikes too. Securely holds your phone for GPS, tracking, or recording, and rotates easily for portrait or landscape view. Quick to install, this Black Friday 2025 deal combines safety, convenience, and affordability in one must-have accessory. Number 10. Motorcycle Selfie Stick Handlebar Mount was $26.99, now $23.09, 14%. Capture every ride with the Motorcycle Selfie Stick Handlebar Mount was $26.99, now $23.09, $23.09, minus 14%. Attaches securely to handlebars for stable, smooth footage. Durable and adjustable, it's perfect for scenic trails or city streets. Black Friday 2025 pricing makes it a must-have for cyclists who want to document rides safely and stylishly. Number 11. AIRBELL AirTag Bicycle Bell Holder was $17.99, now $13.99, 22%. The AIRBELL AirTag Bicycle Bell Holder was $17.99, now $13.99. $13.99 minus 22% combines safety and tracking. It securely holds your AirTag while functioning as a stylish bike bell, ensuring you can locate your bike anytime. Durable and easy to install, this Black Friday 2025 deal is perfect for cyclists who want security and convenience in one compact accessory. Number 12. Heavy Duty Bike U-Lock with Cable was $62, now $46.99, 24%. Keep your bike safe with a Heavy Duty Bike U-Lock with Cable was $62, now $46.99, minus 24%. Made from reinforced steel, it provides maximum security for your bike in any environment. Lightweight enough to carry on rides, it's perfect for city commuting or parking in public areas. Black Friday 2025 makes this a must-have for peace of mind. Number 13. Asher USB Rechargeable Bike Light Set was $18.99, now $16.99, 11%. The Asher USB Rechargeable Bike Light Set was $18.99, now $16.99. $16.99 minus 11% includes a front headlight and rear taillight, keeping you visible and safe on day or night rides. Rechargeable via USB, it's convenient and eco-friendly, compact, durable, and versatile. This Black Friday 2025 deal is ideal for cyclists wanting a reliable lighting set without overspending. Number 14. Victopur High Lumen Bike Light Set was $26.59, now $13.98, or 50%. The Victopur High Lumen Bike Light Set was $26.59, now $13.98, from 50%. $13.98 minus 50% delivers extreme brightness for maximum visibility. Includes a front headlight and rear light with multiple modes for day or night riding. Rechargeable and durable, it's perfect for trails, roads, or commuting. This huge Black Friday 2025 discount makes it an unbeatable deal for safety-conscious cyclists. Number 15. Whale Fall Waterproof Bike Frame Bag was $29.99, now $21.99, 27%. Carry essentials safely with the Whale Fall Waterproof Bike Frame Bag was $29.99, now $21.99, $21.99, minus 27%. Its weatherproof design protects your phone, wallet, and tools while riding. Easy to attach to most bike frames and compact enough not to interfere with your ride, this Black Friday 2025 deal is perfect for cyclists seeking convenience, durability, and style. Number 16. Universal Bicycle Water Bottle Cage was $19.98, now $18.98, 5%. Stay hydrated with the Universal Bicycle Water Bottle Cage was $19.98, now $18.98, $18.98, minus 5%. Fits most bottles and mounts easily on any bike frame. Lightweight, durable, and practical, it keeps your water within easy reach on long rides or daily commutes. Black Friday 2025 pricing makes it a simple but essential accessory for every cyclist. Number 17. Waterproof bike cover for 1 to 3 bikes was $15.99. Now $13.99, 13%. Protect your bikes with the waterproof bike cover for 1 to 3 bikes was $15.99. Now $13.99, minus 13%. Durable and weather resistant, it shields your bikes from rain, dust, and UV damage. Easy to fold and store, it's ideal for garages, patios, or outdoor parking. Black Friday 2025 offers this essential protective gear at a wallet-friendly price. Number 18. Rock Bros MTB Platform Pedals was $24.89, now $19.99, 20%. Upgrade your ride with Rock Bros. MTB Platform Pedals was $24.89, now $19.99, $19.99, minus 20%. Made from high-strength aluminum, they provide grip and stability for mountain biking or trail riding. Lightweight and durable, they improve pedaling efficiency while keeping your feet secure. This Black Friday 2025 deal is perfect for cyclists wanting performance and reliability at a great price. Number 19. U-Shake Aluminum Water Bottle Cages 2-pack was $14.99, now $11.99, 20%. The U-Shake Aluminum Water Bottle Cages 2-pack was $14.99, now $11.99, minus 20%. Keeps hydration simple and convenient. Made from lightweight aluminum, they mount easily on most bike frames and securely hold your bottles. Perfect for long rides, commuting, or recreational cycling. This Black Friday 2025 deal is a smart and affordable upgrade for any cyclist. Number 20. Endactor Waterproof Bike Frame Bag 2L was $18.99, now $15.49, 18%. Carry essentials securely with the Endactor Waterproof Bike Frame Bag 2L was $18.99, now $15.49, minus 18%. Its weatherproof design protects your phone, wallet, and tools while riding. Compact, easy to install, and durable, it's ideal for commuting or long-distance cycling. Black Friday 2025 makes this practical accessory an affordable must-have for any bike enthusiast. That's a wrap on 20 Earl Amazon Black Friday Bicycle Deals 2025 with up to 50% off. Grab these rare, trending bike gadgets before they're gone and upgrade your rides today. Don't miss out. These deals won't last long.